Hello everyone, this is Jiayin's video recap for December 6th. We learned what was proofreading. When we read, we focus on meaning, and when we proofread, we read carefully for grammar and the mechanical errors such as punctuation, capitalization, spelling, and so on. We do proofreading at the end of the writing process, after we have developed and organized our ideas. Why was that important? Because some significant writing assignments shouldn't have mistakes that we can fix. When we proofread our own work, we take responsibility for the English grammar we have learned in the class. We want to make our final drafts very perfect. So we need to demonstrate our professionalism. That means to show the reader that we put time and effort into our writing and that we care about our final finished the work. And also, we need to communicate effectively with the reader. Grammar mistakes can confuse and distract the reader. And also, we should show our English teacher that we understand the grammar, and also tell them we can work independently to find and fix the most important grammar errors. But how should we proofread our own work? That was very important. We can use many different strategies to proofread our own work. There are two-step system for finding and correcting specific types of errors. Step 1. Making sentence parts and word tabs. Step 2. Asking yourself questions to find and correct mistakes. Why those two-step system? Because our instructors can see how we think about the grammar. They can identify what we understand and what we don't understand, so they can help us to improve. And second, many students found this system was very useful for us to find our own mistakes. Here are steps. First, we need to focus on sentence structure. We can circle all subjects and underline all verbal phrases and draw triangle around connection words, and then ask ourselves, does every clause have a subject? Does every clause have a verb? Is the verb order correct? Is this an independent clause? Is the dependent clause correctly attached to an independent clause? And second is verb tense. We can look at all or underline verbal phrases and draw vivid lines under all time expressions, and then ask ourselves, does the action we are writing about take place in the past, present, or future? And does the action or event start in the past and continue to now? Do I explain to my reader why I changed tense? The third is verb form. We can look at all or underline verbal phrases and then ask ourselves, have I correctly formed the verb tense I'm using? The first is verb form. We can double underline all modals. Modals like can, could, might, maybe. And then ask ourselves, is the verb after the modal is space form? And fifth is subject-verb agreement. First, we need to look at or circle subjects and look at all or underline verbal phrases and then ask ourselves, is the subject singular or plural? And does the verb agree with the subject? Then we practiced this paragraph. Yesterday, I take the bus to school. Today, I'm going to work because it will be sunny. I haven't walked to school since the semester began. I usually went to school by bus because my books are heavy. However, tomorrow our class will go on a field trip, so I don't need to worry about that. After we proofread, we can find some mistakes. Here's the final draft, and no errors there. And then we checked our own work, which was writing assignment 3. We asked some questions to Hayward that we were not sure. And then we had a break. After the break, we went to Motive Medium Lab. First, we download the PDF, which we did last class, from the Dropbox, and using that to build our PowerPoint for presentation number 2. Our homework is writing assignment 3. It should include those things: articles, thesis statement draft, outline, body paragraph drafts, rough drafts, writing lab notes, grade sheet, and final draft. And we'll set homework page 70 is due Sunday morning. We have in-class writing in next Tuesday. And also presentation number 2 starts next Thursday. Good luck, everyone.